ask yourself why. Take this one, that just dropped down, so that might have been in the wrong place for a bumper that. So look, double post Seat Mark II Leon facelift. Yeah. Right here, as you can see, I can get you straight. That's not even fixed, but I reckon I can plastic weld that and get that back where it should be. But this is a bolt on the right that's missing, and that's the block of wood that we're holding it up. But to say she looked lovely at the front, not no more. So we'll get in the house and then I'll set his back up, we'll have a look at this light, see if it can be salvaged or not basically. If not, it's going to be a case to find a new one. So I'll see you in a tick. Right, so we're in the house, we've got it off.